Hello, in this video I will show you how to change search engine to a custom one on Crosscall Core M5. So you have to start with opening your internet browser, and now you have to go to your custom search engine website, and for this example I will use yep.com. And now you have to search something using your search engine. And now you can go here and go to settings. Now click on search engine, and in recently visited you should have now yep.com option. You can select that and then click back, and as you can see my search engine is now set to Yep. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.